what? You should stop. When I say stop, you should what? Stop!
আমরা এই গ্লাসটাকে নিয়ে এটার উপরে সেট করব।
আমরা কি এনজয় করছি?
This workshop actually basically about how to build your own team building game and get a huge knowledge about the different kinds of team building activities.
It was a really nice session. I wanted to shake the party and I really didn't know a lot of stuff about team building.
The workshop was almost over. The participants were so loud and they were so lost in the games that we actually had to request them to remain silent and be less chaotic in it.
Networking skill, communication skill, make a team try to build up these types of skill using team building activity and game.